Elastic belts have been around for a little while now, but they're still sort of new, they're still kind of hard to find, and there's not a lot of options. The braided elastic belts for men are the easiest to find. Zara, Gap, H&M sell them, but these are normally sold for men, so the sizing for women doesn't go small enough, and they're still a bit bulky and noticeable under clothes. They're super adjustable and really comfortable as they stretch a lot. But the one that I'm going to make is super adjustable and it lays completely flat. It's completely invisible under a shirt. The 3 pieces to make an elastic belt that I'm using are black oxidized metal 1-inch G-hook, 1-inch metal slide, and 1-inch elastic. You can use any finish and width of hooks and elastic, just make sure that the elastic width fits inside the hook and slide widths. You'll also need thread and a needle or a sewing machine to sew everything together. First thing you do is you put the metal slider onto the elastic, up one side and then down the other side. Then slide on the G-hook. Put the elastic end up inside the slide and back down, repeating what you did the first time with the metal slide. You'll now have the sliding function. Next, you finish the edge of the elastic by sewing it down to itself. The other raw edge of the elastic also has to be folded and sewn down to make an opening for the G-hook to attach. Now I'm just sewing down the raw edges of the elastic. I did a zigzag stitch for extra durability. Now you can see this is the finished loop end where the G-hook will attach. This is the finished end of the elastic near the slider. Here's the whole finished belt. You can see how the slider works to adjust the size. And that's basically it. Super simple. Let me know if you have any questions and comment below. Let me know if you make your own belt. And you can check it out here in action. Here's my elastic belt. This thing is pretty awesome. Super comfortable. It allows room for your Thanksgiving belly. I plan on making a lot more because these are the best belts ever. And subscribe.